Each time pulling it back, you have to retract those shoulder blades and breathe out and let go. Again, pull it back, breathe out, bring the shoulder blades. Yes, again. 2, 3. Elbow and the shoulder will be in the 90-90. You'll pull it behind. This is for the posterior fibers of your deltoid. Slow. And he'll pull it behind, hold it there for 3 seconds and let it out. There, 1, 2, and 3. Let it out. Again. 1, 2, 3. Here again 90-90. Hands up position. 2, 3. This, right? 90-90. Now take it up. You don't have to pull it so much behind. Just how much ever is possible. Pain free. 1, 2, 6. Okay, relax. In here, you're doing a hyper extension of your lower back. You're straining your back. Okay, that's why don't force so much. How much ever comfortable in your range. Okay, just wait. Don't overarch. Just engage the core and take it up. Engage the core. Let it out. Both hands up. Yes. Before doing the serratus punches, you have to keep in mind is like you have to tuck those elbow inside. So body little bit slanted to around 45-degree, walk stand position. So once you slant it, eyes forward and you'll push it off. And when you're pushing it off, you have to breathe out and come back in the same position. Got it? Yes. So you'll be in the walk stand position, elbow tucked in and hold the band. Whenever you're pushing it out, breathe out and come back. Make sure the body is little bit slanted towards the 45-degree. Okay. Now this for the serratus punches, also known as boxer muscles. Very important. Now next, same. You will be in the walk stand position, elbow tucked in. I want you to slant your body little bit forward in 45-degree and eyes looking up. I want you to go touch your band and come back. Again, back flies. 2, 3. Now you'll do a big hug, so pec flies. So whenever you're going there, body little bit slanted forward towards 45-degree, body moves front, hold it there, maintain this position. After that, you're going to do a big hug, pec flies and come back and same. Touch those wrists together and come back and same. 3. Now next is the internal rotation. Very important for your subscapularis. So whenever you're here, I want you to take your shoulder down. Okay, the next one is for internal rotation. Do it, take it down and come up. Take it down and come up. So this is for your subscapularis, important muscles for your shoulder stabilization. Take a good stand, hold the band in the handstand position. Now do the internal rotation of your shoulder. Engage the core. Yes, each time you pull it down, breathe out. Yes.